welcome to the Kata Noi Beach. สวัสดีค่ะ Everybody, welcome to the always busy beach, Kata Noi Beach. Kata Noi Beach. สวัสดีค่ะ This is Kata Noi Beach. As you can see, there are a lot of people here because this beach known as a busy beach, popular beach. And they have nice sand here. And this what? Oh, okay, like that. So nice sand, but it's hard to walk here in the sand. Okay, so this is Kata Noi. Welcome to Kata Noi Beach. Okay. It's dark. Wow, look.
Right?
okay. I don't like to walk on the sand. So this is Kata Noi, everyone, and it's so loud here because the waves is crazy. And did you know that there is tsunami? What is it? Tsunami? I know it's not tsunami. I forgot what's the name. And look, this little kid here. He is building a castle. Ay, pyramid. See? He's building a pyramid. Is this pyramid? Oh. It's around 3 o'clock in the afternoon when we come here because you have to come here. It takes a long time to come here. 40 minutes from the center of Phuket. 30 minutes, 40 minutes. 40 minutes plus. So if I were you have to come here very early, like 10, 11, 12. But still there is sun. But what if there is no sun, right? If it's cloudy, so you have to come here early as that. So they have the warning here. This one, danger, no swimming here in this side. It's always busy here because it's nice beach. And in front of this beach there is big resorts, big resorts. Did you see that white umbrella there from the entrance and at the end of this beach? See, they have big resort. They occupied all the space here on the beach. So every time you sit or you are trying to sit on the sunbeds, you have to order something, or else you have to pay. There is no free here. No free. Everything you have to pay. If you are looking for accommodation up near the beach here in Kata Noi, they have many resorts here, and every day you will enjoy seeing the nice view of the beach. It's so loud. Look, people, they are enjoying on the waves. They are enjoying swimming by the waves. With the waves. So we are almost at the end of the beach. It's not really, there is some parts of this beach is not safe. That's why they have the warning not to swim here like that, because it's not safe. The waves is so crazy, so you have to be careful. You have to follow the rules. And they have also sign here that no climbing, no climbing, because of the, maybe the rocks is slippery, or the so this is the end of the Kata NOI Beach.